Hey everyone, I'm Amy from Epoddlenails.com, and this is how to shop for Color Street nails from the comfort of your home, online, in your living room, in your PJs if you want, with a dog. I'm gonna share my screen, show you the step-by-step on how to place an order through Color Street. It will ship directly from the company to you, but you do have to shop through a stylist. So your first step is going to Epoddlenails.com, and you're gonna make sure that your stylist name says Amy Epoddle right up here. So then you click shop, and it's gonna give you a drop down if you'd like to go to any of these. This is kind of our collections, and you can kind of just browse if you want to. Glitters, French manicure, glitter designs. I like to start with glitters. Now, see that same drop down can be right here. You can also hit all products if you'd like to look at everything. Or you can shop by all of these different subcategories. I do want to make mention that this buy 3 get 1 free offer is available online, and it is currently always available. So be sure to put multiples of 4 of colors, glitters, and nail art designs in your cart. You cannot revise it afterwards if you forget to put that free one in, but you do, if you do have 3. If you do want to order 3, you're going to get 1 free for sure, and you get to pick that free item. Also, if you are looking at the French manicures, they are buy 1 get 1 free, so be sure to add multiples of 2 to your cart. You can combine these offers if you'd like and do 1 or multiple buy 3 get 1 frees, or multiple plus 1 to 2 to 5, however many you want, of free French manicures. Now you can scroll through your items, whatever you love. Oh my goodness, this Tokyo Lights is super popular. Now if you hover over the item, you can either add it directly to your bag, or you can see some details. If you want to click on those details, it'll give you a little bit of a description of the product and how they are. It says, it's pink, gold, fuchsia, and then it tells you how many nail strips are in each package. They all come with 16 strips, except for Clear as Day, that actually comes with 32. So you're actually gonna get 2 packages of the strips in that one. So then you can hit add to bag. Now, if you want to return to the catalog, go ahead and hit that pink button right there, and there's tons of different ones, right? So you can look at all the products, or you can kind of go by holiday or fall. So there will be some that are out of stock. They do come in and out of stock. They're so popular right now, but you'll see this little red says out of stock. That doesn't mean it's out of stock forever, just right now while you're shopping. You can always join my VIP group, and I keep an eye on those in stocks, out of stocks, and give you guys a fair warning about that. That's Epoddle Nails VIP on Facebook. Okay, so be sure to add a couple more to get your buy 3 get 1 free. You can also click, if you hover and you already know you don't want to see these details, you can also hit add to bag right there. And let's do this one too. Super cute options. And there you go. So now that you have all 4 in there, if you want to add more, you can do that. You can do this buy 3 get 1 free multiple times, or the buy 1 get 1 free. You'll want to click up here. See, it says click here to shop with a specific nail party. Now every stylist has a nail party going on themselves, and they might also have hostess parties as well. So it's going to list all of the parties that your stylist has. Right now I just have my own party open. If you have that, if that's the one that comes up and you don't have a hostess to shop with, please connect your order to that party. So you'll see right up here now it shows that you are shopping with a specific party, and you can view the details of that. So now hit your shopping bag, and it'll show you that you are getting your, I had added 2 Tokyo Lights here, see the quantity. So I have 4, 2 Tokyo Lights and an LA Dreams and a Mardi Gras, and then you see right here it took off that $12. It's gonna show you right there the buy 3 get 1 free promotion on your subtotal. Okay, so then you're gonna hit checkout right up here into the top right. You're going to either register yourself as a customer, or you can continue as a guest. And then you need to put in all of your information here, and you just ship to this address. And then you're gonna be able to put your payment method in. So you just hit add card, put all of your payment information, and then over here it'll tell you right here the subtotal plus the $3 shipping, and then your estimated tax and your total, and then you hit pay with this card. And then that's it. You'll get an order confirmation to your email address stating all of the information and all of the fun stuff you have coming your way, and you will see your product in your mailbox pretty soon. If you have any questions or love more information about the business or tips and tricks for our nails, go ahead and email me at amy@epoddlenails.com. See you soon. Bye.